This liquid gem Gua Sha is a total game changer, and I'm going to show you how to use it. First, I'm going to apply 2 pumps of this Pure Rock All Day Glow Serum, and that's going to prevent your Gua Sha from tugging on your skin. Now I'm going to use this curved part of the Gua Sha and slide it right underneath my jawline and gently pull upwards. I'm going to use the larger curve of my Gua Sha for my cheeks, and I'm going to go all the way up to my ears. This is going to help with your circulation and blood flow. Next, I'm going to flip this around. I'm going to use the larger curved side to glide right underneath my eye area, and this is going to help with reducing puffiness. You can't forget your neck, so I'm going to use the longest side of my Gua Sha and gently glide that at a 45-degree angle. This is how my skin looks after using it 2 to 3 times a week.